has talked about this in sometime over the years, not like this weekend, but is you know, a lot of the products and data and things that we have that we like. What if we lose this stuff? You know, then it's gone. You know, and that's our business. So Justin gave some great insight as far as you know, a lot of people have McAfee and those kind of things to try to prevent viruses, but of course, as the virus is created, it's not going to stop that. So what happens? You know, you either have to get a new computer or start from day one, basically wipe it clean and start from there. You have a few options. So he showed us a way that we can, at a very minimal cost, to make sure that if something does happen like that, then your data, which of course, you know, a lot of our data affects our business, and that we have access to that data. You know, we can go back to whatever point in time we need to access it. So that was one of the things I've learned. So.
Awesome.